Hi everybody, it's Peg, and today I am working with a Custom Keeper from Shannon Green, maker of stuff. And what I want to do is transfer these images. These are digital images from Gina Ahrens' Etsy store. And I'm just going to take some matte medium and put it down on the Custom Keeper and place my image down on that and, you know, try to get it pulled up before before all the paper gets stuck and I have to rub. Well, that didn't work so well. So yeah, back to square one. Sometimes this works really well and other times not so much. But, you know, I got a little something down. I'm going to try it again. This time I'm going to put the matte medium on both the paper and the surface and see if I can get a good bond between the ink and that vinyl surface. And so I'm going to wet the back of the paper, and this time, yeah, I'm getting some stuff to stick. So, success! Anyway, I'm going to continue to work this. I am going to glue things down and attach things and just have a good old play on this surface, because these custom keepers, you can play all day long on them and, you know, treat it like any other surface. If you don't like it, paint over it, start again. And that's kind of what I'm doing, is, you know, having a good play and trying the transfer method, which, you know, sometimes I'm successful, sometimes not so much, but I mainly wanted to get the color and the images from that digital down there, and then, you know, I'll end up cutting out some pieces and gluing them down, and you'll see where this goes. But that's about it. You can watch the process, and well, I hope you watch the process. Maybe you're bored with me already, I don't know. So I have more people in the group that will be hopping along, so check out the description box below so that you can find other people that are creating using Gina and Shannon's products. If you happen to like them, stop by their store and yeah, use those discount codes. So anyway, I'll shut up now and let you watch the rest. sticker that I put on here. The background is done with Gina Ahrens digitals, and you can find her on Etsy, and if you look in the description box below, you'll see information about how you can get 15% off. The coupon for me is PEG15, and yeah, so Shannon, maker of stuff, on her Etsy store is where you find the custom keepers. And this is the information sheet that shows you, once you've got it all painted up and ready to go, how to go back in and restring it. It's really easy to do, and you can see I've got mine in here with a bunch of painted papers. These are just scrapbook papers, 12 by 12 papers that, you know, I didn't really like the original, so I decided to just do a little bit of gel printing on top of them. So that's how I am creating. I also have some papers from my friends that I'm swapping with. So whether I use this as a journal itself or just use it to store my papers in that I might use in something else, doesn't matter. But look at that. Challenge your limits. Don't limit your challenges. Very good saying. I like it a lot. And I even sewed my signature, so I've got threads hanging out. So that's it for me, and I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, you make a difference, so be kind, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.